Good morning. I'm actually on my way to get a doobie. And by doobie, that is getting this hair blown out and roller set. I'm so tired, so I'm just about to brush my face, wash my teeth. Okay, so. I feel like I just should have told her 9:30. I told her 9. I feel like I definitely should have told her 9:30 instead of 9 because I only have like 10 minutes to get out the house. I like putting when I travel, I like putting my face wash in a little squeezable bottle. I think I got those machines. But today is my Nana's 75th birthday. The reason why I am traveling, so I did have to come to Jersey. Yeah, I had to come to Jersey because that's where my Nana lives. Majority of my family, anyways. So yeah, y'all know I love traveling to Jersey though, so I didn't mind for real. Getting rid of some hair so I can look real fresh after I finish my doobie. I got 5 minutes to get out of here. Yeah, I'm so tired. Wait to put my eye serum on because later I am gonna put some. Oh my god, half of my lotion just spilled out. Do you know how expensive this is? I'm sick right now. This is like $25. It's so good though. It does keep me very moisturized. Asked the lady, this Korean lady actually, she probably was the owner. I went to this Korean K-beauty spot and I asked her if I should get a new one because I know all the girlies was getting that. She was like, no, all the TikTok girls, the young girls use that. I was like, period, auntie, let me know what to do. I'm trying to get this skin right. And I think what she recommended actually worked because my face has been clearing up so good, especially this toner. Getting rid of all the dark marks. So I don't know how I'm running late, but I actually do know because I live so close to this place that I'm just like, oh, like whatever, it's up the street. That's always sets you up. When you so close to a place you work from, gotta go, whatever, you're gonna be late. Like 5 minutes or something, like, unless you just that good with time, but I'm not personally. But yeah, we're on our way. She should be fine. I'm only gonna be like 5 minutes late. So yeah, I'm ready to get this hair done. The weather is crappy though. I'm like, it's supposed to be sunny and 65. Like, let's go. What are we doing? Because if I walk out this doobie salon and it's all nasty and muggy out, like, no. But I did bring my do-rag and my doobie wrap, so I think I'm gonna put it up until I get ready, or like pin it up or something. I'm trying to see what I want to do. Like, I'm so confused. I don't know if I want a side part or middle part. Like, why is that the hardest decision ever? I don't know. Like, I got about maybe 40 minutes to decide. So, whatever. Why is this top like this? Like, what's going on? But yeah, let's go get a doobie. Also, I wanted to put on a little light beat or something like concealer. Couldn't even do that. That's just because, like, I'm running late. Like, so, you know, the hair eats more if you put on a little concealer, a little mascara or something. So I'm gonna just have to do. And we're just gonna have to eat later. Literally. I am fasting, which reminds me to say I'm fasting. So I had to get up and eat by like 6 a.m. So I dozed back off. I did put my alarm on, but y'all, if y'all try it, especially with this this time change, daylight savings, it's been eating me up. Okay, like I've been so tired and exhausted when I wake back up. So, but yeah. That's how my morning's going.
Woke up this morning and heard the TV saying something about disaster in the world, and it made me wonder where I'm going. There's so much darkness in the world, but I see beauty left in you, girl. And what you give me lets me know that I'll be alright. 'Cause if your love was all I had in this life, well, that would be enough until the end of time. So rest your weary heart and relax your mind. 'Cause I'm gonna love you, girl, until the end of time. You got me singing,
if you know, you know. I still have my net you gave me. It's so soggy now.
Everybody sing, oh, yeah. Everybody singing,
I hate this part. Guys, this is how I'm looking after I just took down my rollers, and I am still contemplating if I want a straight part or side part, but I think I'm gonna just do straight. So it's giving James Brown though, but
darkness in the world, but I see beauty left in you, girl. And what you give me lets me know that I'll be alright. 'Cause if your love was all I had in this life, well, that would be enough until the end of time. So rest your weary heart and relax your mind. 'Cause I'm gonna love you, girl, until the end of time. You got me singing,